In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Substack subscription. If you're ready to dial back on your newsletter intake or shift your focus to new content, you'll find this guide handy and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your Substack homepage. You can easily do this by typing in Substack's URL and logging into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look for your account icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, a gateway to your account settings. Next up from the drop-down menu, you're going to select Settings. This will take you to the area where you manage everything related to your Substack account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections, but our main focus today will be on managing subscriptions. As you scroll through the settings page, continue down until you reach the subscriptions section. Here you'll find a list of all the publications you've subscribed to. Each of these entries corresponds to a different newsletter or publication that you've been following. Now identify the specific publication you wish to unsubscribe from. Clicking on this publication will open more detailed options. This will lead you to a page dedicated to that particular newsletter, giving you further options regarding your subscription. Once on the publications page, scroll down until you spot an option to unsubscribe. It's usually labeled quite plainly as the unsubscribe button. This is your go-to solution for stopping the delivery of this particular newsletter to your inbox. The final step is to simply click on unsubscribe. When you do this, you'll typically be asked to confirm that you indeed want to stop your subscription. This extra step is just to make sure there are no accidental unsubscriptions. Go ahead and confirm your choice. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to cancel a Substack subscription. It's a simple process, yet effective when you need to manage the content you're receiving. This method is designed to give you control over your media intake. Remember that maintaining a clean and organized inbox can greatly enhance your productivity and focus. Regularly reviewing your subscriptions ensures that you're spending your time engaging with content that truly interests you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.